There is yet another rebel in the ranks, and this time it's the man who was the Speaker of the Delhi Assembly. Maninder Singh Dheer has rebelled. The man you see on your television screen has rebelled against Arvind Kejriwal. He has praised Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Maninder Singh Dheer has said he's willing to join any party that wants him to work for them. Dheer has alleged that the Aam Aadmi Party is becoming undemocratic. He does not agree with the manner in which the party is now functioning.
ऐसा आम आदमी पार्टी ने जो किया है कि ये कहते हैं कि हमने टिकट काट दी, तो इनसे ये पूछो कि मैंने आपसे दोबारा टिकट मांगी कब थी। मैंने इनसे टिकट मांगी नहीं तो टिकट काटने का मतलब किया। अगर मैंने अप्लाई किया तो कोई दिखा दें। मैंने सेवा करनी है। अभी मेरा कोई ऐसा विचार नहीं है कोई पार्टी मेरे को इनवाइट करेगी या नहीं करेगी। ये समाज सेवा मेरी भावना है, मैंने समाज सेवा करनी है। लेकिन जब कोई ऐसा वक्त आएगा, कोई पार्टी मेरे को अप्रोच करेगी, तो मैं उस समय इसको देखूंगा। हर जगह पर लोग मोदी को पसंद कर रहे हैं, उनके कामों को पसंद कर रहे हैं। एक नए विकास शुरू हो चुका है।
And headlines today's Atir Khan now joins us with the latest. Atir, Dheer and Arvind Kejriwal not on the best of terms, but is this a man who's disappointed because he wasn't given a ticket to contest elections once again in Delhi?
Well, that's right. It seems to be a major jolt for the Aam Aadmi Party ahead of the elections. It's already lost some of its important leaders, and it is becoming extremely difficult for it to keep its stock together. Now, this time around, it's Dheer, who being the Speaker of the Assembly, which has now been dissolved, he was also a Sikh leader and a Sikh face for the Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi. But indications are clear, as he's pointing out. It's not just an appreciation like Shashi Tharoor did for the Prime Minister. There's more to it. He's clearly stating now that people are appreciating Prime Minister's work, and insiders, our sources are also telling us that very soon he's likely to join the BJP.
Okay, has the Aam Aadmi Party reacted to Maninder Singh Dheer's attack on so-called undemocratic functioning of the party and its leadership?
Well, you see, Aam Aadmi Party is still coming to terms to the setback it is facing, and there have been two major developments in Aam Aadmi Party. So therefore, we are awaiting a response from them on this statement of embassy.
Stay with me, Atir. There's more coming on this big story of what's happening within the Aam Aadmi Party. Aam Aadmi Party rebel Vinod Kumar Binni, he's thrown a challenge to the party top chief Arvind Kejriwal. Binni says he'll contest against Arvind Kejriwal from the New Delhi seat that Kejriwal won with a big margin, defeating former Delhi Chief Minister and then Congress Party candidate Sheila Dikshit in the assembly elections. Elections are slated in Delhi early 2015.
है मेरा टारगेट है कि झूठे और कपटी लोग जिन्होंने दिल्ली की जनता को गुमराह किया झूठ और फ्रेम के आधार पर उनकी सच्चाई लोगों के सामने लाना मेरी प्राथमिकता है। चाहे मुझे उसके लिए चुनाव भी लड़ना पड़ेगा, तो उसके लिए मुझे गुरेज नहीं है। नई दिल्ली में जाऊंगा, चुनाव प्रचार करूंगा और अरविंद जैसे लोगों को जिन्होंने झूठ के आधार पर इस देश में राजनीति की और एक नई झूठ और कपट की राजनीति को बढ़ावा दिया, ऐसे लोगों का पर्दाफाश करना हमारी प्राथमिकता है।
देखिए, इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। हर आदमी, हर विधायक का ये अपना अधिकार है, जहां से लड़ना चाहे, कहां से न लड़ना चाहे। जाहिर सी बात है, चुनाव की सरगर्मियां तेज होंगी तो हर आदमी, हर विधायक कहीं ना कहीं चुनाव लड़ने की कोशिश करेगा, तो इसमें कुछ भी हैरत आश्चर्य की बात नहीं।
So on the face of it, the Aam Aadmi Party says we are not concerned. You heard Aam Aadmi Party leader Ashutosh there. Atir, but what's the inside story? First Vinod Binni, then Shazia Ilmi, now Maninder Dheer. Is the Aam Aadmi Party worried by this dissension in the ranks and also people leaving it?
Well, certainly there is great concern within the party, the manner in which these important leaders are leaving the party. And, since these leaders have started joining the party, it has grown in its repute. But of late, we see that these people are withering, and it has become extremely difficult for Aam Aadmi Party to keep its stock together. Now, Vinod Kumar Binni was an important leader, but he became an arch rival of Arvind Kejriwal, and now he's learned the tricks from Kejriwal himself, and he's adopting his, shall we say, modus operandi, playing the underdog, and he's now made up his mind to contest against none other than Arvind Kejriwal.
Atir Khan, for the moment, many thanks for joining me.